Guys, this is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM OET Institutes. Again, discussing about the tenses as these are the major parts of OET. And I don't know why people forget about tense. We always talk about it. See, when I say the patient requires, see, look at this. The patient requires. So this is present indefinite. If I say I am writing this letter, I'm talking about OET sentence. Is MRING means present continuous. The doctor has advised the patient. This is present perfect, has plus third form. Only three tenses, that's it. Now, if I make a passive voice, patient requires dressing, suppose. Please understand, whenever there is, these are the tenses. And when tenses have passive voice, that means dressing is required by the patient. Please understand this thing. Then you will say, which tense is this? This is also present indefinite. It's an active voice, present indefinite. Please understand this normal concept. This is also present indefinite, but it is a passive voice. Tense is same. Patient requires dressing. Dressing is required by the patient. Both are exactly same. There is no difference. Only difference is in the method of writing it, the way we are writing it. One is passive, one is active. There is no difference in two lines. I am writing this letter. This letter is being written. Again, there is no difference. I am writing this letter regarding Mr. X. That is exactly the line this letter is being written regarding Mr. X. The rest all remain the same. This is grammar. I am writing this letter. Object comes, this letter is being written. Both are present continuous, active and passive. Doctor has advised the patient when we put today visit. Today, okay. Today, the patient has been advised to take rest. This is what we do in today's visit. They both are same. It is just the method of writing it. When we do OET writing, we use passive voice. That is, we normally write this letter is being written. Even if you write, I am writing this letter, there is no problem. The patient requires assistance. Assistance is required by the patient, no problem. But what looks better? In this, by chance, this is looking easy and better. In this, by chance, both are looking equally good. In this, by chance, this is looking better. So I use this thing, but there is no difference. So this is also present perfect. This is also present perfect. There is no has been plus third form. So how does a passive sentence is formed? The only rule to passive voice is object becomes subject. Dressing is required by the patient. If you see require is a first form. This is MR plus third form. Passive voice is always third form. Is MR third form. Then what is this being for? Being tells it is continuous tense like this ing. Ing means continuous tense. I am going to park. That means it is a continuous tense. I am going to park. I am playing cricket. Cricket is being played by me. That means I am playing it right now. Ing means continuous. Raha. And this doctor has advised the patient. That means it has been done. So why did I come to this point? Because I was teaching the study of the Tamadrone has been held up. That means has been plus third form. That means it has already been stopped. Why? Why the study has been stopped? That is the question. So when you start understanding the tenses, you will find things becoming easy. This is the question we solved just with grammar. They were saying WHO is promoting the immunization of health workers, and it is saying WHO is yet to start work. They are saying WHO is promoting, already promoting. So the difference was in the tense that it is yet to start. No, it has already started. So you eliminate this option. That is what you need to understand. May want to start initiative. No, WHO is already promoting, has already recognized the need to improve, is already doing it. So you eliminate these two options and this becomes your answer. And it grammar also helps you to understand this question in a way that study has been held up. That means it has already been stopped. Why? Because of why? Let's see. So I have to find something negative in this question. McGay starts temodrone has a similar structure to tamoxifen, but one part of the molecule resembles testosterone. So temodrone is equal to testosterone has similar structure. That is the only one part of these two are same. So temodrone and testosterone, one part is same. And this should cause it to bind specifically to the androgen receptors because one part is same. How does drug work? Drug have similar structure to our hormones. So they bind with the site. So where testosterone was supposed to bind with the androgen receptors, temodrone binds to it. According to McGay, the rarity of the human prostate cancer cell culture makes studying temodrone potential difficult in the test tube. So I had the question is why the study of temodrone was stopped? Why has it been stopped? So I have to find something negative. So the only negative thing that was given was until now is that rarity of the human prostate cancer. So one negative thing is this. Please understand the tone of question as well. Study was stopped. So if you're stopping the study, there must be something negative. So the rarity of human prostate cancer makes studying the temopdone potential difficult. One negative thing. However, he hopes the work he and Potter have carried out, which was funded by, will stimulate interest in the field. This is a positive line. It cannot be my answer because tone of my question is negative. I am trying to find something negative. So in the first paragraph, only one line is negative, that the rarity of the human prostate cancer cell culture. So in first paragraph, nothing else can be answered except the cell culture. The researchers already have evidence that tamidrin blocks the androgen receptor as would be expected from its chemical structure. So it is a good thing that tamidrin can block the androgen receptor. They will soon publish details of how tamidrin and related but more potent compounds bind to androgen receptor. McGay believes that there are good prospects that such a drug will fight prostate cancer. This is also positive. So the only line that was negative in this question was rarity of the human prostate cancer. Rarity means that human prostate cancer cell cultures are not available. And my tone question was negative. So all the lines are positive, only one line is negative. So you can do these difficult questions. Restricted availability of the suitable tissue culture, yes. Rarity of the tissue culture, that's it. That becomes your difficulty in stimulating sufficient research. They are saying will stimulate interest, and this is saying difficulty in stimulating. They are saying the research has done will stimulate interest, so it is opposite, out, eliminated. So this is not my answer. A, restricted availability. Difficulty in organizing sufficient and suitable trials. I think nothing like this was given. Suitable trials. Trials word is not given, rather I feel. No. So there was no difficulty. Only one negative thing was given, rarity. So I go with A. So the difficult questions can be done with your grammar, can be done just looking at whether the tone is negative or positive. Again, I know this is just one question, but please listen to this recording 2-3 times to understand. That is why I recorded. It is very simple. That is how grammar works in today visit. Today, the patient has been found with this. He has been diagnosed with this for which your expertise is required. That is how you write in the writing today visit. Today, the patient has presented with chief complaints of this. On examination, he has been found with this by us. Therefore, he has been diagnosed with this by us. You don't write by us, but has been diagnosed means by the hospital. Has been diagnosed, has been found, uh, has been given, paracetamol has been given. So that is what is the passive voice in the today visit. Please remember it. Thank you.